wanna take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want.
Hey y'all, what's up? Checking in with a new video from SHEin. Super excited to show you these pieces from the SHEin X Art Meets Fashion collection. This collection is exactly how it sounds. It's extremely artistic, extremely unique pieces, prints and patterns that just stand out in a crowd and literally look like art that you are wearing. And I love pieces like this. This collection really brings me alive. You're gonna see me smiling all through this video, posing, strutting my stuff, because I was like, yo, these pieces speak to my soul. This first one, my husband was like, you literally look like the black version of the Addams Family mom. What's her name? Morticia, the black Morticia. And I was like, yo, that's the biggest compliment ever. So of course, I love that dress. This next suit is everything. This is giving me Art Basel Miami vibes. This is giving me fashion show, runway. If you are invited to the next Roberto Cavalli show, like this is giving me all the feels, okay? Stop me in the street and ask me where I got it. Like, yes, I want all the smoke when I'm wearing this suit. The suit fits amazing, it looks amazing, and it feels amazing. The quality on it is absolutely everything, and both the jacket and the pants have pockets. SHEin, like, just slay my life, okay? Just slay my life, because both of these pieces are winners. This next piece is everything. Do you see how high-waisted these pants are? Do you see how my little booty is sitting? Like, yes, it's covering the mommy belly. It's got the booty looking cute. Like, yes, it's giving me 70s realness. And then you put this tuxedo jacket on with it. Like, it's doing too much and just enough, all in the right measure. Like, yes, make me do too much in my floral print 70s suit. Do too much and just enough. Like, I need it. I'm so happy I have it, okay? This next little skirt, it was giving super micro mini, so I'm not going nowhere in it. But it's cute just standing here, okay? It's cute just standing here. I can't go anywhere with it, okay? Because it would just get real inappropriate real fast. Love the jacket, love the inner lining. Definitely probably wouldn't wear it with the skirt because, yeah, I'm gonna need a little more to cover the booty. But the jacket and the top, love those together. And I'll definitely be wearing it with like a pair of wide leg pants. Oh, even these pants. Come on, get into these pants, y'all. These pants were so fire, like I just kept them on with a bunch of other pieces from the collections because I was just like, yo, they fit amazing. They're not like super inappropriate on my butt. Like it's showing my butt, but it's not like poking out. I love that they have pockets. I love the pleating and the high-waisted, and they have belt loops, so you can even wear a belt with these. Like everything so far is a winner. Like I need you guys to head over to SHEin and check this collection out for yourself because this art collection, art meets fashion, it's just everything. It's giving me grown, sexy vibes. At the same time, it's like flirty, super feminine, but also like high quality and unexpected pieces from SHEin. I never would have thought SHEin would be offering pieces like this. Look at this print. Look at this kimono. Like the fit is fire and it's just everything. Okay. Highly recommend. This one is super cute. I'm not sure how I would style this one yet, so I wasn't sure about this one. It's giving me like choir robe vibes, and I'm not sure if I'm loving it or not. But it does look good as an outfit, so I'm not mad, but at the same time, I'm unsure. You guys tell me, is this a look? I don't know. Here's an affordable bodysuit that's a part of the collection. Love the watercolors. Love that it matches other things in the collection. You can definitely grab this piece and it will match other things. Love how it looks with these green pants, you guys. I definitely need a belt, but yeah, it's giving. Then the icing on the cake. Look at these gloves, y'all. These gloves are so extra and so doing too much, and I'm here for the gloves, y'all. And they fit over my nails. I had on nails and they still fit. I love that for me. Okay, these gloves will be making an appearance with this bodysuit very soon on my Instagram timeline, so I'm gonna need y'all to go over and follow me. This dress I was so unsure about. These type of dresses never really work out well for me, but it fit my boobs. Like, it actually fit. The slits were in the right place, so it shows your leg but not too much where it gets inappropriate, and it still has like a cute figure. It has a cute shape. These type of dresses sometimes make you look like a little wide, but I just thought this one was so cute and like vacation ready. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm definitely gonna take it with me. As well as this dress, so ready for somebody's island, somebody's brunch, like in Jamaica. And last but not least, a perfect sundress, beautiful sundress. These last two dresses just like were everything, and I am so ready for spring and summer. If you guys want to check out these pieces, they will be linked down below. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with the SHEin lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.